So for my example, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. I think this is a really good tool to show screencast for students to see assignments, for you to present assignments if you're ever gone from class, and you can give this information to a substitute teacher so that way you don't have to go into class time explaining things. If you're busy, you have grading to do, you can just give this link to your students to look at and they will have all the information needed for any assignments. For my example, I am going to do a screencast of going over Canvas. I know the high schools in Arizona use Canvas since I went to high school out here, and especially if you are a high school freshman, it's your first day of school, you've never used Canvas before, and so the teacher can just provide this link for the students to watch at home, in the library, during lunch, during any of their free time, so that way they can easily learn how to navigate through this. So the first thing is if you go to the home, you'll see any recent announcements that were sent out, your to-do list right here, any feedback that you were given for your assignments, and then recent activity that was done. If you click the announcements, it shows any announcements that were sent out and the date that it was posted on. Next link is the syllabus. If the teacher has provided the syllabus, it'll be all down here for you to see in one direct spot, so that way you don't have to go looking for it. Modules are for the teacher who separates their lectures or units into separate modules, so that way it's all in one easy spot. So module 1 and the weeks that it would be provided for when you need to do that module, and everything that is needed, the learning material, discussion boards, exams, whatever it is that is due for that module. Next is the grades. You are able to see everything that will be in the grade book, and then your grade will be your total right here in this area. Resources are available if your teacher has provided it. So for the high school, they could provide resources for the library, resources for appointments at the administration office, to see the principal, your advisors, whoever it is you need to see. And then if you are looking on the left-hand side, you'll see all your courses. So high school students will have more than one class that have to use Canvas, and then they can easily switch between all the classes right here.